Hey guys, I'm Error Slayer and today I will teach you how to block a website on Google Chrome. If you're ready, our first step is to open Google Chrome and search for Chrome Web Store. Then open the website at the top. Type block sites into the search bar above and press enter. Click this extension. Then click the Add to Chrome button. Click Add Extension. Once the extension installation is complete, click the extensions icon in the upper right corner. You can also pin it to the upper right corner if you wish. Now, all you have to do is visit the website you want to block. While the website you want to block is open, click the Block Sites extension. Then click the Block This Site button. The target website is now blocked. You will now receive a warning when you try to access this website. To remove a website from the block list, click the Block Sites extension again. Then click Edit Block List. Click the trash can icon next to the website you want to unblock. The target website is now accessible. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to block a website on Google Chrome was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.